Snapchat is one of the most gatekept platforms to try to make money online from. But as someone with over 300,000 followers on Snap on my account, and who's actually monetized on there, I'm about to ungatekeep exactly how Snapchat monetization works, how much money you can realistically expect to make, with me showing the real earnings that I've made in this video, as well as how you can finally get monetized and actually start making money with Snapchat. Let's get right into the video. So Snapchat reveals exactly how their monetization program works on their website, and I'm going to quickly run you through that, but with the caveat that even if you hit all these things, you're not necessarily going to get monetized, and I had to learn this the hard way, but you do need to hit at least these things, and so let's go through it right now. Firstly, you need at least 50,000 followers, which I'll show you how to get that in a second. You need at least one of these view thresholds. You need to be posting consistently, and then lastly, you need to be at least 18 years old and from an eligible country, which the list of eligible countries can be seen here. And you might think, well, I should be able to hit those thresholds, but even if you hit all of them, you're not going to get monetized unless you have what's called a Snapchat star. You can see I have this on my account called Fly Juggler with a little star next to my name right here. And if you don't have the star, you will not be able to get monetized on Snap. So the first goal should be to hit these thresholds, then get your Snap star so you can get monetized and then start earning money. So if you don't already have followers on Snapchat, let me first walk you through how to get the first thing that you need to achieve to be able to get monetized on Snap, which is at least 50,000 followers. The way you do this is by posting videos to Snapchat. Obviously, duh, you have to do that, but the question is, well, how do you do that effectively and how do you actually do it to gain followers? Well, I'm about to show you a method that most people don't talk about, which is that there's a difference in posting to Snapchat Spotlights and Snapchat Stories. You can see if I go on my phone and go on Snap and swipe one to the right, we have what's called Snapchat Stories on this page. This is where people have the stories that you can click on and tap through to get to the next slide, and it's kind of like Instagram Stories or honestly stories on any other platform. And you can see I can just tap through it and see what people are posting, but if you actually go from this page and scroll one more to the right, you end up with Snapchat Spotlights. And you can see I can scroll up and down on this feed, and it's basically exactly the same as TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or anything like that. And so you might not have even known that this existed, but this is called Snapchat Spotlights, and this is by far the easiest place to gain followers on Snapchat. And since if you're watching this video, you probably already post content on TikTok or YouTube, I would recommend basically just taking all the content you have there and reposting it to Snapchat. You can do it by taking one of your videos, clicking on this thing right here and clicking Spotlights. And then if I just click this post button right here, it would go to Snapchat Spotlights. Or what I actually did was I was like, wait, I have all this content that I post to TikTok. What if there was a way for me to just get this content on Snapchat without me having to do the work manually? I considered trying to hire someone, but I realized that would be really hard to find someone who I would have to pay just to take these videos and repost them. So what I actually ended up doing was I found a software called repurpose.io, which I'll leave the link to in the description. You can sign up 100% free with Google. And basically what it does is it lets you set up automations between all your social media platforms. So you can see now I have an automation that goes from my Instagram account, which has 425,000 followers, to automatically get reposted to my Snapchat account. And you can see here, not only does it automatically schedule any of the new videos that I upload to Instagram. So this is a video that I uploaded to Instagram today, which is now auto-scheduled to go up on Snapchat. But you can also set it to start automatically reposting all of your old content to Snapchat Spotlight. So you can see if I go down the list of all the reels that I've posted, it's actually going down the list and automatically scheduling all of the old videos that I used to post to Instagram to just go on Snapchat Spotlights and start gaining me a bunch more followers so I can hit that 50,000 follower threshold. Literally all you'd have to do is click create new workflow, keep it on repurpose existing content so it will automatically repost everything you have. You can choose your main platform, which is TikTok, so I might choose Fly Juggler here. And then the platform that you're trying to post to, which in this case would be Snapchat, and again, I would choose Fly Juggler. And then once you create the workflow, under settings, you can change whether you also want it to repurpose not only your existing content, but also your future content, which is what I have it doing. And then I just have it posting 4 times a day to Snapchat Spotlight. So again, the link to repurpose will be in the description. This has saved me so much time and made me a ton of extra money, of which the earnings that I've had on Snapchat, I will be showing you very soon. But first, I'm going to show you how to get the Snapchat star so you can actually get monetized on Snapchat. So once you hit your 50,000 follower threshold, you can actually apply for a Snap star directly on Snap's website. And I'm going to leave the link to it in the description of this video, which you can find right here. You basically just have to fill out this form. But the truth is, even if you fill out this form, they're probably not going to get back to you for like a couple months. And I know very few people who have actually been able to get their Snap star through the form that Snapchat uses that's directly facing the public. I would recommend it first because it's your free option to try to get a Snap star. But if that doesn't work for you, there's an agency that I work with that helped like 20 of my friends get monetized and get their Snap star. And so I'll leave the link to that in the description as as well. So again, I would try doing this first. If you end up getting monetized on Snap just from this form, then that's great. If not, I highly recommend going through like an agency or something that actually knows direct reps at Snap and can kind of speed up the process for you. And again, the link to that will be in the description. So hit your thresholds, apply through this link first. If you wait a month and you don't get it, apply through the agency link. They should be able to get you monetized a lot faster as long as you hit those thresholds. And then you're finally ready to start earning money on Snapchat. Now, as promised, let me show you my earnings, and then I'll also show you the best ways that you can actually earn money with Snapchat monetization. So looking at my account first, if I go to my public profile, I'll see a little tab called My Snap Crystals. Once you get monetized on Snap, this will usually show up within like 1 to 2 weeks. And if I click on this, we can see that for 600 crystals, I can convert that to $60. So that means each crystal is worth 10 cents, and you get awarded crystals based on the share of ad revenue basically that people are seeing on your Snapchat stories and on your Snapchat spotlights. You can see I've had days where I've earned over 4,000 crystals in a single day, which basically means I made $465 in a single day. And so the way that most people are actually monetizing, even though they got their followers through Snapchat spotlights over here, most of them are actually making most of their money from Snapchat stories. So you can see here, like this person right here, Jack Jerry, who's reacting to these kind of viral videos. This guy, I'm sure, is making an absolute ton of money with Snapchat. Because as you can see, when I scroll through his story on Snapchat, I eventually get an ad for Amazon, and that's where he's making most of his money. Now, one way to monetize on Snap Stories is through reaction content, and if you need help with that, you should actually just check my Discord below and I'll be able to help you. But I think the real key is making sure the last side of your story post has something clickbaity, because that is what will show up as the thumbnail on this page. And then once they click on it, then the goal is to get them to watch as many videos in between as possible, because the more watch time you have, the more ads that play in between, and the more money you make because you get a portion of the share of the ads that were played between all your story posts. So yeah, that's the best strategy to monetize on Snap. Spotlights also does make some money, but you can see I'm only making like $13 a day from Spotlight. But when it comes to Snapchat stories, I've had payouts for 1.6K, as well as 1.5K here, as well as $800 right here. So it can be a lot of money as long as you're doing things right. And so that's how Snapchat monetization works. If you found this video helpful, consider joining my Discord in the description with 22,000 members. You guys are absolutely insane. And my goal with this channel is to drop gatekept sauce completely transparently and 100% free. No paid course, no gatekeeping any information. This is my mission, so if you appreciate that, consider leaving a like and subscribing. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.